Hello friends! Today we're going to learn about flight and gravity, and we're going to do this by making a paper helicopter. To make a paper helicopter you need paper, scissors, either a pen, pencil, crayon or marker, and one paper clip. Okay, here we have our required materials. We have a piece of paper, scissors, a pen, and a paper clip. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and cut a thin sliver of paper out. Okay. The next thing you're going to do, in the center of the slit of paper, you're going to draw two dotted lines. Here, closer. That. Next thing you're going to do, from one side of the paper, you're going to cut two little slits. Just on one side. Because what you're going to do next is going to, from each slit, fold the paper in. This is going to be the bottom of the helicopter. Then you fold it up a tiny bit. Looks like that. And then I'm going to put a paper clip on it. Just like that. Now we have the bottom half done. Now we're going to make our wings. What you're going to do is you're going to cut a line right down the center and stop right at the other dotted line we drew before. And then all you got to do is fold our wings. And there we are. We have a paper helicopter. Time to go outside and fly them. Alright, so now we're outside ready to fly our helicopter. But before we can fly it, we have to talk about gravity. Gravity is something on Earth that pulls everything downward. It's the reason why we're not all floating upward into space. It's the reason why if I drop this rock, it's going to fall down because of gravity. Just like that. But now, our helicopter has something called lift. The air flowing around it is going to make it spin, and it's going to make it fly. Lift makes it move upward. Let's see if it works. Oh, here, I got another one. This one will fly better. We're gonna try this again. Hopefully this time we'll have a better flight with our paper helicopter. So today, make a paper helicopter with your parents and tape it flying so we can see it. Have a good day.